Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. And today I want to dive into some practical tips on how you can cut costs on the manufacturing floor. If you're looking to streamline your processes and save some money, stick around because I've got some great insights for you. So first up, let's talk about inventory management. Because keeping your inventory levels just right can save you a lot. And here's how. By using just-in-time inventory, this system makes sure that materials arrive only when you need them, and it reduces storage costs and cuts down on waste. And then combining that with advanced data analytics to predict customer demand helps you maintain optimal inventory levels, avoiding overproduction and stockouts. And then finally, by working with fewer, more reliable suppliers, it can give you better pricing, improve quality, and reduce a lot of the admin costs. So next, let's look at energy efficiency, because energy costs can really add up. So improving efficiency can potentially make a really big difference. So the first one to look at is energy efficient equipment. By investing in more efficient machinery, can directly lower your energy bills. And then on top of that, regular maintenance can keep everything running smoothly. And then finally, by streamlining your production processes and optimizing machine times and reducing idle periods can save costs. And potentially also incorporating renewable energy like solar or wind to reduce dependency on traditional energy sources can lower your long-term energy costs. And then last but not least, let's talk about workforce productivity, because a skilled and efficient team is key to cutting labor costs, but still boosting productivity. So firstly, there's employee training programs. By investing in training programs to keep your team updated on the latest technology and best practices can lead to higher productivity and fewer errors. By implementing lean manufacturing principles can help you to reduce waste and improve the workflow efficiency in your factory. And then finally, by creating incentive programs to reward employees for productivity improvements and cost-saving ideas, because a motivated workforce can perform at its best. So, cutting costs on the manufacturing floor doesn't necessarily mean you have to compromise on quality or efficiency. By optimizing inventory management, improving energy efficiency, and enhancing workforce productivity, you can achieve significant cost savings and maintain high production standards. These strategies not only boost your bottom line, but they also make your operations more sustainable and competitive. If you embrace these tips, create a leaner, more agile manufacturing process that can adapt to market changes, and it can also drive long-term success. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.